All right, welcome back to the channel. We have the Cypher Pearl today. The ball before this was the Cypher Solid, which was a very smooth solid. So I'm assuming this is going to be a very smooth pearl, but we'll see once we get on the lanes in this first 10. We got the first one off our hand, that's always a positive. And we struck, so now we can take the sticker off. Balls ago, I don't remember which ball it was. I think it might have been the GB5 Pearl. I was bowling with it for like a couple weeks with the sticker on it, and it was like rubbing off the plastic. Pretty much what I thought. It's a pretty smooth pearl so far. I sent it pretty quickly to the friction, and it didn't overreact, which it's always good to have pearls like that so you can blend the wet dry. Oh, I sent that one even further right. Wow. Okay. I have some miss room. Might be a ball that looks good for me on a house shot. I even brought my spare ball today to shoot spares if we need. I even brought my spare ball today to shoot spares on this first 10 if I needed it. Oh, come on. Wow, I spoke it into existence. Here's my new spare ball on the channel. Very pretty. It's like silver, lavender, like a royal blue. The aesthetic of the bowling ball always has to be nice for it to strike. Think of a really ugly bowling ball that was really, really good. Drop it in the comments because I can't think of one off the top of my head at all. That was a pretty good test of the ball because I did keep it in the oil a little bit longer. I didn't think it was going to carry, but here we are with another strike on the board. I tried to throw my body at it. Okay, I rolled that. And I deserve that. Maybe I can pick up the 710 for you guys on the channel. Bounce. I'm like 15 miles too slow. I rolled it again, but will it get there? No. Okay, so I cannot roll it, or it will not strike for me right now. Oh no, stay on the lane. Woo. That new spare ball got me feeling some type of way. Wow, that's what a good shot looks like. Do you know what the worst part is? I said, you know what that, off my hand I said, wow, that's what a good shot looks like.
Oh, good.
Bounce. Come on, dig. It did dig, wow. I definitely could throw it better. But we have an endless 10 frame now. Well, that's all she wrote. She is definitely a smooth pearl. This is definitely a pearl that will work if you bowl on a higher friction surface, or if you bowl on a house shot that just has a lot of friction. Definitely a ball that will blend out the wet dry. Make sure you guys check out our video on our main channel, Nate Lease, so that way you can see what I do with the surface of this bowling ball. I'm definitely going to play with it a little bit in our main channel video. So go ahead and check that out, and thank you guys for watching this. We'll see you guys on the next video.